Hi guys, it's been a while since I posted a video. I hope you all are fine. It's a beautiful festival time here in this snow season, so what could be better than a Christmas painting? The colors I used are brown, black, white, grey, green, and chrome yellow. I used flat number 2 brush for the strokes of the trees and then a round number 2 for the detailing. Drew guidelines for the window panels and used chrome yellow to give that detail and black and white on both the sides. Here I'm using green strokes. Next I'm going to use white and yellow for the light bulbs. If you've come this far in the video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Thanks for watching.